Good morning, guys. Today we will learn a new rearrangement reaction which is called dinon phenol rearrangement. Let's see. This is R, this is R, this is called diinon, diinon, diinon. That's why it is called diinon. In presence of acid, either HCl or acetic acid, in presence of acid it will form a phenol moiety. Here R, here R, here OH. This is phenol. Substituted phenol will be formed. This is called dienol phenol rearrangement. Now from where we get this dienol? Let's see. Origin of dienol. Origin of dienol. If we give this here methyl group and here OH, this is called paracresol. In presence of carrosh acid H2SO5. H2SO5 is called carrosh acid. It will form this product, this dienol. Now if we give H plus to this dienol, it will form the phenol moiety. Here OH, here Me, here OH. Let's see the mechanism. First we see the mechanism for the formation of dienol. After that we will give you the mechanism of phenol formation from dienol reactant. So the structure of carrosh acid is OH, OS, double bond O, OH. Here one peroxy bond is OO is peroxy bond, so one peroxy bond is here. So in presence of heat, this peroxy bond will break, so it will form radical OH dot plus O dot S double bond O, OH. Now let's see. Here methyl group, this one plus this radical will interact O dot S double bond O, OH. This radical comes this, and the product, the intermediate which is formed here Me and here O dot. Now O dot comes here, this comes here, this goes there. So which is formed is here this, here double bond O, and here on methyl group, and here this radical. Now here OH radical is present in the medium. Now OH radical come here to come that radical carbon to form a bond. Double bond O, this is OH and this is methyl. This is dienol. We got the dienol. Now after that we start from this dienol and finally we have to reach this phenol moiety product, this product. So let's see how this happen. This is the dienol. Got it? Then let's start from dienol. Methyl OH, this is ketone. In presence of acid, methyl OH. This is OH. First protonation occurs, that carbonyl oxygen, and then what happened? This double bond migrate here, and this is open. So what product is formed? What intermediate? Rather, it is intermediate. This is OH, and here one double bond, here one double bond, here methyl, and here OH, and this is the carbocation. Now this methyl group will migrate here. This methyl group will migrate to that carbocation. So this methyl group migrate to this carbocation. So this is OH, and this is methyl, here OH, and here this positive, this carbocation. Why methyl group while methyl group is migrated here rather than OH group? Because after migration of methyl group, the carbocation which is formed is this carbocation. This carbocation is stabilized by the adjacent lone pair on oxygen atom. That's why this carbocation is most stable. That's why methyl group is migrating. After that, just hydrogen from here, this, then minus H plus to form the product. Here OH, here Me, here OH. This is the final product. This methyl group will migrate that carbon. So the group which will be more electron rich will migrate here, and one more point, after migration the carbocation which is formed, that carbocation is stabilized by the lone pair on oxygen atom. So that is the main factor. After migration, the carbocation which will be formed must be stabilized by the adjacent group which will be present in the system. That is the main thing. This is the mechanism. Let's see one example. Let's see one example. That one. This is very good example. This one. If you give H plus, what will form? The product which is formed, this will be the product. Do you understand how it is formed? Let's see. First protonation occurs that carbon, and then this comes here, OH. So carbocation is generated that here. After that, this ring is opened and joined here. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 membered ring, and then this product will be formed. Got it? Okay. Let's see on another example. You draw the mechanism yourself. If you face any problem, then inform me. I will give the mechanism. This pH, this Me, this pH. If we give H plus, tell me one thing, which group will migrate to the carbocation? Obviously pH group will migrate, because pH is more electron releasing group. That's why So here OH, here pH, here Me. That is the main thing, because pH has higher migrating aptitude than methyl group. That's why pH group will migrate and form this product. This is the product. So not always which group has migrating aptitude that will uh, migrate to that carbocation is not always truth, because if here one electron withdrawing group is present, then the group which is electron withdrawing will migrate to that carbocation, because if electron releasing group is migrating that carbon, that means carbocation, then the carbocation which is generated here will be unstabilized by the electron withdrawing group. Let's see one example. This is keto. What I am talking, this COOET pH. This group is electron withdrawing group. This is electron releasing group. So let's see, if we give H plus, the product which is formed COOET pH OH. This is the product. Let's see how the mechanism occurs. After that you will definitely understand what is happening here. So if we give H plus, it will form first this OH plus. I hope you understand COOET. Now this come here, this go there, then this OH pH COOET. Now see carefully that if pH group is migrate here, okay, let me show pH migration. If pH is migrating to that carbocation center, then here C double bond OT, here pH, and the carbocation is formed at that carbon. Now let's see, this is not going to happen, because this carbocation is destabilized by the electron withdrawing effect of COOET group. Understand? Let me tell again. If pH is migrating to that carbocation center, then the carbocation which is formed is near COOET group, which is a electron withdrawing group. That's why this carbocation is destabilized. So pH group is not migrating. Then other option is COOET group migration. I hope you got the point. This OH, here C double bond OET, here pH. Now this carbocation is stable. From thus minus H plus to give the product. Here OH, here C double bond OET, here pH. That is main thing. This is very important. So migration power is not only predicted by relative electron donation power of the migrating group, but it will be predicted by the stability of carbocation after migration. So the migration ability does not only depend on the electron donating power of the group, but it also depends stability of the carbocation after migration. So migration power is not only predicted by relative electron donation, so migrating power is not only predicted by relative electron donation power of the migrating group, but it will be predicted by the stability of the carbocation after migration also. So when both groups are electron releasing group, then the group which is more electron rich will be migrated to that carbocation center, and if electron withdrawing group is present, then electron withdrawing group will migrate to that carbocation center, because after that the carbocation which is formed becomes more stable. That's the key points of this rearrangement. So let's see an example which is very important example. So let's see an example. Here methyl group is present, here also one methyl group, here keto group. So if we give H plus to that system, then two products are formed. What are the two products? Two products. What are the two products? Let's see. Here two possibilities there. Let's see. See the mechanism. That will be easy. Methyl, here methyl, double bond O, here double bond O. So if we give H plus, methyl group, this one, double bond OH plus. Now see carefully. This double bond can come here, this double bond also can come here. But if this double bond migrate to that position, the carbocation which is formed is 3 degree carbocation. But if this double bond is migrate here, the carbocation which is formed is 2 degree carbocation. So that double bond is not migrating, only this double bond is shifted to that position, and the carbocation which is formed is 3 degree carbocation. That's why this double bond shift here, so form 3 degree carbocation. Got it? This position here on carbocation, here on methyl group, here on methyl group, here OH group. Now see, this can come here. Got it? This can come here. Let's see. This come here, because if this come here, the carbocation which is formed is 3 degree. It is also stable. So OH, here one methyl group, here carbocation, one, two, three, four, and five membered ring will be formed. This one, 1 2 3 4 5, one methyl group, and here is one proton. Then what happened? Then this came here, this go here, and this form this one. This is very interesting problem. So here double bond, this double bond, here one methyl group, here on OH group, and here methyl group. This is one product. Let's see what is the another product. This is, suppose this is A. Now the second product formed from this intermediate. Let's see how the second product is formed. Methyl group, here carbocation, here OH, this double bond, this bond break to give this one. Then here OH, one, two, three, four, five, here plus, here methyl. First here this bond is break, here this bond is breaking to form this 3-degree carbocation. Then this bond is migrate to here to form this double bond aromatic system, and carbocation is formed here. Now normal aromatic addition. Now this normal aromatic addition, that's very simple. Normal aromatic substitution, not addition. Normal aromatic substitution, which I have already discussed. Normal aromatic substitution reaction, please see in my lecture. Then one methyl group comes that side, here OH, and one methyl group remains here. This is one methyl group. This is product B. This is very interesting problem. This problem came in various exams like NET, GATE, so it is very important. This product, first we give H plus, OH plus, then there are two possibilities, from that side and from this side. So if this shifted here, then the carbocation which is formed is 3 degree stable. That's why this double bond is shifted to form this product. Now this can come here to form 3 degree carbocation and form the corresponding product. And another possibility, this come here, and then normal electrophilic substitution reaction, which I have already discussed. Please see my lectures, aromatic electrophilic substitution part 1, part 2, and finally this product is formed. So this is one product and this one is another product. So these two products are formed. Okay, so this is the end of the lecture. This is the end of the lecture, dinone phenol. rearrangement. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.